Hello y'all, it's me, Jack Leidig. Today we'll be preparing baked chicken wings on quarantine cooking. Alright guys, come on back. You'll be needing your no antibiotics, chicken wings, your black pepper, your salt, chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, red pepper, extra virgin olive oil, minced garlic, Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo sauce, and butter. First, preheat your oven to 375. Next, put tin foil on your pan. Now while your oven is preheating, take a 1 gallon bag, I prefer the Ziploc bag, and take 2 tablespoons of olive oil and put it in there. Next, you would like to get a half tablespoon of chili powder, like so. Coming next is a half tablespoon of onion powder. What's a vampire's least favorite seasoning? You guessed it, garlic powder. So take a half tablespoon of that. The next seasoning is cayenne pepper. And you're gonna take a chill half tablespoon of that, because that bitch is hot. Next, add 3 full throttle tablespoons to your mixture bag. Next, we're gonna add salt and pepper, and just add it to your liking. Now, we're gonna just slap the bag until it's fully mixed. Next, we're gonna be adding our chicken to our seasoning blend. First, you have to open your chicken. So add your first half of your wings to your seasoning blend. And shake it up, shake it up. Now do that with the second half of your wings. Alright, now we need to separate the drumstick and the flat. Ah, what a clean cut. Ah, the last pieces of the puzzle. If you have excess juice in your bag, pour those bag juices all over those chicken. Now let them vibe in the oven for 1 hour. That's home cooking. Alright, about halfway through, you're gonna want to flip those wings over. Just like this. Now it's time to get saucy. First, heat a pan. Just heat a pan. And add some buffalo sauce to it. Just like that. Now take about 5 tablespoons of butter and throw that bad boy in there. Just stir it around until all the butter's melted. Then you're ready to sauce your wings. Time to take this delicious treat out of the thing. Easier than Sunday morning. Now that your wings are out of the oven, you're gonna want to spit them in the sauce. Make sure they get nice and saucy. Cover them up, buttercup. Oh my mama. That's gonna be good. Now it's time to cut up some celery, get yourself a plate of wings, maybe some ranch, blue cheese, and gather some loved ones, and enjoy. Thank you for watching. This has been Quarantine Cooking. See you for the next pandemic.